Here we have a Clausine cutter mill. We got it hooked up to 230 volt, 3-phase power. And we're gonna turn it on here and show you that it works. A few things before we turn it on, we'll show you some of the manual travels. This is your table going from side to side. So this is going in and out. And then up and down. It's going up right now. Okay, we'll go turn it on. Here's our on, reverse, and forward switch. So that's one direction. And then here's the other direction. It's also got a speed, variable speed right here. You can turn it down. Also got an automatic table control here. And right now the table's traveling this way. And we'll go ahead and turn it another way. Now the table's traveling this way. That is the Clausine cutter milling machine.